name is Anil Thomas, and I am excited to be here and also challenged to be here. All right. So listen to me very carefully, right? Can you all clap? This is a problem, actually. This is a problem. Can you all clap? You know, whenever I am training entrepreneurs, this is the pattern I see. What is the pattern? We do it. Why? क्योंकि अपन यार नाइकी के जमाने में रहते हैं ना. Just do it. Then we try to understand. ये हम लोग ने किया क्या यार? And then when we don't understand, we try to go and ask people, and when they speak, we try to I think one of the biggest lessons an entrepreneur or business owner can learn is just turn this. First, listen, but it doesn't come very easy, especially for those who claim I am self-made. You've reached this far, but at some point in time you've stopped listening except your own voice, and you were not learning anything new. But if you listen and then you try to understand and then I think it will save a lot of frustration. Yeah? Are you happy to be here? गुस्सा आ रहा है क्या? Happy? Can you all clap? अरे बाबा, I give you the lesson. I am asking you, can you clap? Yes or no? That should be the answer. Alright? So let there be more energy. Let me see how much of synergy is there in this group. My biggest fear in life was standing and speaking to a group of people that totaled up to more than 2. That was me a few years back. Few means quite a few years back. Literally my knees would fellowship with each other when I had to speak before a group of people which totaled up to more than 2. But I'm grateful to God that He did something in my life and I'm standing before you, and I'm also grateful to all these precious people who've given me this opportunity and trusted so many of you with this session, and I hope we get the best of it. Happy to be here. I am going to ask you that question again because learning happens best when you exercise your choice to be happy. Alright, I don't know what season of life I have found you in, personally, professionally. मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ लोग phone के लिए जा रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं, maybe there's some pressing problem you're trying to attend to. I don't know what season of life I have found you in, but I know one thing. If something meaningful has to happen, I need your complete spirit, soul and body immersed into this session. Happy to be here? Yes? Okay. Can I give you a challenge? Yeah? So this is like a low challenge. This is like a medium challenge. This is like a high challenge. This says hum hai, baki sab. So what kind of challenge you want? Come on. Show me. No. Alright. If that is what you want, then that is what I'll give you. Maybe Sudanwa, I'll request you. Just get me 2 slings, please. This is a very, very powerful exercise. And since I told you this is experiential learning, I'll give you some exercises and then we'll process what we did, why we did, and then how we did. And could there be a better way of doing whatever we did? So this is a challenge called as Tangle Untangle. Maybe today foundry industry is in some kind of a tangle. Like Bhandare Sahib said, raw materials is an issue, getting people is an issue. Some kind of a tangle is there which you are trying to break free from. So what I will do is, sir, you come. Yeah, just wear it on your wrist. So you got to take the sling, wear it on your wrist, and then with your partner you have to get entangled like this. Clear? Is that clear? Maybe you come on the stage, sir.
You started taming us.
हाँ, आपको तो वो लग रहा है, बाकी लोग को ये लग रहा है यार ये कुछ सेटिंग बराबर नहीं है, हाँ? लेकिन आज के जमाने में सब कुछ चलता है, हाँ? ठीक है ना? So you are in a tangle. ये tangle से आपको बाहर निकलना है. You need to come out of this tangle. Okay. So come on, we need to move really fast. This is a challenge. I gave you the name of the challenge. What is the challenge called? Tangle. You got into a tangle. You have to come out of this tangle. What you cannot do, I will tell you. All right? What you can do, that you will have to apply your mind and figure out what can be done to come out of this tangle. But 4 things you cannot do. Number 1, you cannot remove the sling from your wrist and then again put it back on your, that cannot happen. Number 2, you cannot open the knot. Number 3, you cannot cut the rope. So maybe your engineering guys, technical guys, तो बोलेंगे तू जला सकते क्या इसको? वो भी नहीं कर सकते. No cutting, no burning the rope. Number 4, anybody from Delhi? ये दिल्ली वालों के लिए 4th condition था actually, हाँ. But you guys are not from Delhi, but still I will say. The 4th is you cannot exchange the slings. यानी कि तू मेरा पेन, मैं तेरा पेन. That is not allowed. You can't do any of these 4 things, but you need to come out of this tangle in a manner wherein we are able to walk in 2 separate different directions. Is that clear? Is that clear? 1 minute challenge. Again, if you do it in 1 minute, special prize. So I'll give you about 45 seconds. You know what? 45 seconds for what? Number 1, look around, identify a partner and say, come on, look around, identify a partner, come on, say tu mera. Done? Alright. And now the next 30 seconds to lift yourselves up from your chair, and there are some slings lying there, some slings lying here, some slings lying there, and maybe just right behind there are some slings. So as many can get into a pair and into a tangle, get into this. This is again going to be a 1 minute challenge. When you get into position, don't start. Wait for my instruction. I will say your time starts now, and then we start the 1 minute challenge. Alright? Okay? So your 30 seconds starts now. Get yourselves up from the chair. Come on. Wow. Sir, you're very close. I'm telling you, very close. Alright, time is up. Means obviously most of you are of the opinion it's not possible. Not possible? How many say not possible? How many say not possible? Alright, how many say possible? And how many of you have decided no matter what I say, what I ask, you will not raise your hands? Sling लेके आइए. And who said not possible? Anybody, 1 or 2 people who said not possible? You said, yeah, some boundary, something you, yes sir, come. But you worded it very well. क्या आपने बोला? वापस से आप बोलो sir. We can't. हाँ? I put you in the boundary. I put you in the boundary. Okay. And I did not allow you to think out of the box. तुम्हारे फाउंड्री इंडस्ट्री में जो भी प्रॉब्लम है ना, उसका कारण आपके सामने खड़ा है. right? Now, most of you in that 1 minute would have done this. You know what? You would have said, एक काम करो ना, sir, बैठो 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 बैठो, निकलो निकलो निकलो, come on, go out, go, हाँ हाँ, no, अरे ऐसा नहीं सर, इसके अंदर से निकलो, हाँ, step over this, steps, हाँ हाँ, come on, and step, another step, come on, yes, और कुछ निकल नहीं जाना चाहिए सर, all right, हाँ. Then you said, अरे यार पहले तो इनको मैंने बोला, अच्छा go up, okay. Then you would have said, पहले तो भाई साहब को बोला बैठने के लिए, अभी तो वापस नहीं बोल सकता हूं, हाँ, ये अपना पियर है ना, अपने इंडस्ट्रियल. So this time I will sit. But you know, positions keep changing, problem remains the same. True or true? And that's where, one of the MDs of a very large MNC, Indian MNC, Bajaj, he gave me a perspective. He said, Anil, जब भी ना प्रॉब्लम को बहुत नजदीक से अगर आप देखते हो, whenever you are looking at a problem from very, very close quarters, chances are you will never get a solution. And he said, we need to develop a fly on the wall perspective. You understand fly on the wall? Somewhere, आपके foundry में से mentally get out of that state. Have a helicopter view and understand why मेरी life में इतनी क्यों बज रही है. Huh? And if you do that, probably you may get the solution that why not? I take this here and maybe I bring it out like this and maybe it's possible. You are confused or they are confused? But you are convinced, no? I was there for that magic, sir. But this is no magic. This is very simple. See, I took this. This should not come out of my wrist. That was my condition, yes or no? You have to say whether it is coming out of my wrist. Which is my sling? This is my sling? Yes or no? So I put it here. Alright. Then I pull it out. And then क्या तुम लोग गुस्सा रहे क्या मेरे पे? Foundry industries, what? Found to be what? You have one finger, yes or no? You have one finger, show me one finger. Do this. Come on. Do this na. Do hai na. Huh? Okay, do. Show me. Wait. Look at your partner and say hai na. Look at your partner. ऊपर वाले ने दिया है ना? Yes or no? हाँ? So कैसा बजाने के तो बजाओ ना अच्छे से. हाँ. See, I want you to receive whatever I am trying to teach you in a very high state of emotion. Because information without emotion will not be retained. Example, if I ask you, do you remember 9/11 bombing? Yes or no? Most of you will be able to recall where you were, what you were doing on that particular day. Yes or no? Because there was a lot of emotion attached to that experience. Yes or no? If I ask you about the Taj bombings, you remember where you were? That's because information without emotion will not be retained. Tell me one day before that, one day after that, where were you? Can you remember? You can't. So please participate with your complete spirit, mind, will, emotions, and your senses. All right? Happy to be here? Yes or no? All right. So any doubts on how this is done? यही करते रहेंगे यार हम लोग हैं. All right? Ask him to come out. For that he'll have to come to my 1-year mastermind class, sir. Huh? But I show you. Huh? If I can do it, you can also do it. All right? See. तुम लोग यार बड़े शकील हो यार, हैं? Helicopter view. So he'll have to go up, you know. Okay, okay, okay. See. Okay, zoom, guys. Okay. Wow. I put it here. And then, now can you tell me how your mind fooled you into not solving this puzzle? Your mind fooled you into giving you a picture. What is a picture? Two rings interlocked. How can one come out of the other without one getting cut? But your mind deleted the very important data that look, a ring is not flexible, but a rope is flexible. Use it. All right? तुम लोग फिर भी मेरे को गुस्से से देख रहे हो यार. Happy to be here? Yes or no? Yes or no?